Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got another unboxing video. Inside this box we have 66 Hot Wheels cars, the small children's cars. We brought 66 of them. They should all be in their original packaging, and I purchased this on eBay. It cost me £53 and I think it was 6p for 66 of them, which works out around about 80p each. So nice price for them. Now I wanted to start a collection of these, and the main thing to remember when you're collecting anything, especially toys and things like that, is to keep them in the original packaging. So that'll be my plan, to keep them all in their original packaging. Once I've showcased them on this video, I'll be putting them back in a box, sealing it nice and tight, and then putting them away for storage. So let's get straight into the video. Quite quick delivery as well, only took a couple of days to arrive. There we go, this is quite a nice box to store them away in as well. It's quite a sturdy box, almost a bit like a suitcase. How do we open it? Very nicely wrapped. Oh, there we go, so it's the other way around. Right. Almost in, there we go. Wow, look at that, really nicely packaged. Oh, look at that, like a treasure chest. Look at that, like a treasure chest of Hot Wheels cars. Really nicely packaged. It did say in the description that there was one or two that had a little bit of kind of tears on the packaging, but the majority of them were okay. So I think we're going to run through them. Obviously feel free to skip forward if you don't want to see them all, but for those of you that are interested in this sort of thing, I think it'll be interesting to go through them and see what we got. And also let me know in the comment section if there are any ones that you think are particularly worth hanging on to for longer term. Right, so let's get straight to it. Lancer Evolution first. Nothing wrong with the packaging on that one. I've got a Mazda. Packaging's fine. There's a little bit of damage to the corner of that one. Wagon gasser. Custom. Honda City, that's a nice looking one. Actually got a motorbike one here as well. That's quite cool, a bit different. A Honda Monkey Z50. A cool combi. Oh, that's pretty cool, look. It's got what comes out the back. Looks like something comes out the back of that one. That's an interesting one. And I'm guessing in each series you get, so this is like the Volkswagen logo on it. It says 2 out of 10. So I'm guessing there was 10 different ones in this collection. And it's quite interesting how there's something in the back. That one, Mazda Mx5. So what I like about these, they're all kind of older cars. If you go to the shop to buy a Hot Wheels car now, it will normally be something newer. And you've got all official badges on them, Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Let's focus in. It's a nice one. Volvo Estate. Volkswagen Beetle pickup. It's an interesting one. A Ford Transit Connect. Lots of different colours on that. Looks really smart. Audi RS Coupe. And like I said, I only paid 80p for each one of these, so it'll be interesting what they sell for individually. Like I said, let me know in the comment section if you have experience in this type of thing and if any of these stand out to you. Audi Sports, Quattro. Porsche 944 Turbo, very nice car. I have to go a bit quicker, I think. I'm going to stop reading the names out, I'm just going to show you them, otherwise this video is going to go on for ages. That one's a nice one, look at that one, that's got to be worth keeping hold of. Skyline. Really nice variety actually. Look at that weird one. Interesting looking one. Rs5 Audi. Detail on these are really effective. How you've got the actual RS badge and that on there, like the real one. Really nice detail. I like these little quirky ones. A bit different, aren't they? Porsche, another little Honda quirky one. We've got a couple of these ones now, little Honda City ones, pretty cool. That looks interesting, look at that box. It's almost like a limited edition box. Honda City, might have the whole collection of them, there's only 10 in the collection. Subaru, very nice car. Got Honda. Feels like they're going on forever. If anyone's been counting, let me know in the comments section how many there are. Is there actually 66? I feel like there's more. An interesting one. Another Honda, whoever this was, definitely enjoyed collecting the Honda ones. Another Skyline. That's a nice one. Porsche. This goes on forever, doesn't it? Lots in here. That's quite nice. Porsche, Nissan Turbo. Not Porsche, sorry, police one. That's cool. Yeah, it's actually got like mud on the tyres. Like the picture. That's an interesting one as well. It's like made to look like it's really rusty. Another police one. Nissan Skyline police one again. Lamborghini, the first Lamborghini. That's an interesting one. Honda City. I feel like we've got this whole collection. Oh, there's the one that was ripped that they said about. I really like that though. That car's really nice. Sort of gold metallic effect. It's really interesting. Nice colours on that one as well. Getting near the end now. Land Rover, I think that's the first Land Rover one we've had. A Volkswagen. Coming to the end, I like the look of that one as well. A rusty effect on it. Really nice looking one. Another Honda. Couple more left. Another Honda City one. Camera keeps going out of focus because I keep going, picking up different ones. That's quite nice. Couple more left. Ford Escort. And I think this is the last one yet. Another very nice looking one. So yeah, that's it. So as you can see, huge collection there. All of them were really nicely looked after. There was one, wasn't there, that had a bit of a rip at the top, but apart from that, they've all been really well looked after. What a huge collection. Look at them all. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know, like I said, if you know about these sort of things, which ones are worth more than the others. Did I get a good deal? 80p each car, 53 for 66. I've got a little love note in here. Stuff in chicken joint. 3 cider bottles, does it say? And tea bags. My kind of shopping list. There we go. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.